I've read some posts on the internet that says a Rotovac 360i can't be used on glued down carpet. I'm going to show that to be different. I'll show you here. That's glued down carpet, and this is the carpet here I'm going to clean. They say that it streaks, that it streaks the carpet when we clean with the Rotovac 360. So I'm going to prove that to be different. So this is the before, and we'll give you a during here in just a minute. I just want to give a sample using the wand and the Rotovac 360. So, just to show you the difference of the color that comes out of here, and how many times it takes to make it look. There's 3 times there. Then I'm going to switch up to the Rotovac and I'll show you the different colors that actually brings up because it gives it a deeper cleaning. Just let me unplug this quick. Now this, you'll see the difference of the color instantly, how much brighter it looks. Instantly. That'd be exciting. It takes no effort, and I'll even go over half of what we did with the wand to show you the difference it makes. So you actually see a color difference. And you're done. That's it. Okay, so I'm about halfway done right here where it stopped, and I'll post the after pictures. Thanks, guys. Okay, so this is the final. Just kind of give you a look in there. There's no streaking. There's no streaking anywhere. All the stains are gone. Just so you know, it does work on glue down carpet. So here's where we started. Thank you for watching.